Okay, so I wanted to make this really quick video because I got blamed for something I didn't do today. Believe me or not, I got blamed for it. So, if you don't already know, I live in Purcell. Well, you probably don't know because I don't live in Purcell. I spend most of my time in Purcell. I live in Lexington. Sometimes I come to Norman, but all in Oklahoma, though. I got blamed for setting off a fire alarm at I think it was called the Sam Noble Museum, and this smart guy walks up to me, starts saying, he gives me this lecture about how I should not pull the fire alarm when there's no fire, and he's like, and it's all your fault and crap like that. Like he was really mean. I just wanted to punch him in his nuts. And yeah, I wanted to kill him. He should have just, first, beginning of the story. We're looking at the dinosaur bones, okay? Because that's some main thing there. It's really boring there, in my opinion. Oh, never mind. Okay, anyways. So, my cousin Brock, he comes up to this fire alarm. He yanks it, and then, he runs away, and then comes to his mom, and, when he ran away, the guy came up to me. I was standing right next to the fire alarm, and the guy looks at me, and he gets on my butt, not actually gets on my butt, like a metaphor. I think that's called a metaphor, I'm not sure, but he gets on to me, and, yeah, as I said, I wanted to punch him in the nuts, when it was really my cousin's fault. So, yeah. And if you were at the Sam Noble place, you would know the fire alarm went off, because they even went to the intercom thing and said, okay, there's a fire alarm, there's a false alarm, the naughty kid pulled it. And what I think the guy should have done was just got my cousin and me and said, hey, the fire alarm, only if there's a fire, pull it. I mean, maybe you didn't know what it done, or did what it did, or anything like that. But instead he wants to blame it on me. So, yeah, he said, people could have died because firefighters could have went here, got mad at you, and his kid house burned down. I just look at him like, you're freaking retard. Go to hell. That's how mad I was. Anyways, I guess, bye.